Hi, this is Kathy Harshman, Fort Myers, Florida. I just want to give some advice to people who go through a hurricane on things that you should do. One, as everybody knows, pretty obvious, fill up your bathtub as full as you can with water. Now, if you have glass shower enclosures, as you can see, I took rubber matting and I put it between the two doors so they don't rattle. I also stuffed towels on each side so that protects, hopefully, the glass if we get really strong winds from shattering. You also want to make sure you have like a little bucket so that you can scoop the water to flush your toilets in case you run out of water or power and you can't flush your toilet. Now, when you do this, you want to fill the tank portion. You don't want to put it into the actual bottom seat of the toilet. You just want to fill the tank. You also may want to have some Cottonelle wipes, just to have those for some extra cleanliness. Down here, we also have some bleach and toilet bowl cleaner, just in case you're stuck in that room for a long time and unfortunately you have to clean the toilet bowl. Down here on the floor, we've got emergency lights and an emergency lantern to have ready for our lights. Now, you want to prepare all of this way in advance. Don't wait to the day of. We did this 2 days ago. Okay, over here on our sink, you can see I also have filled a bucket of water to wash our hands in, to at least rinse them. And then we also do have sanitizer there. Earlier, again, we went ahead and stocked one of our drawers with supplies. We did bring in toothbrushes, we have Band-Aids, we have Tylenol. We brought in extra glasses, cotton balls, anything. We also found very important is to have these. These are a hanging flashlight. We both have one of those to wear, and they're very powerful. We take these on trips with us, actually, wherever we go. So we do have those in there. Just little things that you will need. We also have our radio, because if you lose power, you do need a battery-operated radio, because the news will continue to be broadcast on the radio. Over here, we also have a battery pack that we can charge a phone with. It is also a flashlight, and we've been having that charged, just ready to go for when the power does go out, so we do have something to charge our cell phones. Now, I want to show you something that some people might not like, but we did this just so that we know you're supposed to have all your interior doors shut during the peak times of the hurricane. So we have that all taken care of, but we also, in our bathroom, under our cabinet, we cleaned it out and we put some supplies just to keep us from going out of this space once the heaviest winds come through. Got a little bit of junk food in here, but we have gum and apples and crackers and cereal and peanuts. And of course some candy. That should keep us for a couple hours while the heaviest storm goes through. We also just threw some plates and silverware and cups in here. Now we also have games ready to go. We also have Sudoku. We also have books, cards, paper and pencil. In here we have extra toilet paper, and we have also put extra water in here so that we do not have to leave this room again. We also have our purses in here ready to go in case of an emergency. We wanted everything in this room if we had to flee. We have 2 ponchos in this room with us. We also have our important information in here with us, things that we would want to quickly throw into our car. We also have all our medications in here, and we also have our gun and bullets in here in case of any type of looting or anything that would go on in your community. Now, again, that's a personal preference, but we wanted to be prepared. Now, in our little hallway that is also enclosed, as you can see, stepping out of the bathroom, we have a door here, and we will be shutting the bathroom door during the intense storms. But right now, while we don't have those high winds, we have set up like a little space, especially if you have kids or if you just have 2 bored adults. We did set up a little space inside this little tiny hallway, And we have our lantern, we have our games, our chairs, and we do have a cooler down here with ice and, you know, just a couple little cool snacks just so we have them ready to go. Again, our plan is once the heaviest storms come in, we are not leaving this area. We will start in the small area first. As you can see, very tiny area. It will have 4 doors around it, no windows. And when the highest winds come in, then we will move into our bathroom area. And we do have cushions ready to go that we will put on this floor. We are prepared to sleep here tonight. I will just give you a quick peek into this room so you can see that we do have the cushions ready. They are all right here, ready to go. Now again, as soon as we know that it's our time to move into that area, we will throw these cushions onto the floor. I'm not saying this is a proven method, but it is our method. We had Charlie here and we stayed in a similar environment. But again, big tips: fill your bathtub, get your bucket ready, get your wipes ready, get your cleanser ready, because you don't know that person sharing the bathroom with you, just in case you have an emergency, doesn't want to smell it or look at it. We also have our lights, toilet paper, all of our personal stuff ready to go. Water to wash our hands, soap, sanitizer, radio, battery operated thing, battery charger to plug in our cell phone. We have all of our things that we think we may need during the evening or in the early morning during the storm surge. We are not at this point in a high level, so we're planning on staying here. Under here we have ponchos, we have an extra lighter, we have our important documents with us. We also have our medication, other important documents. We also have our gun. And in here, again, quickly, games, food, water, your purse if you're a woman, ready to go. And then our exterior area, which is also enclosed, a little playroom for either your kids or yourself with a cooler and some games. I hope this has helped everybody. This is very important information, we think. But again, remember, prepare well in advance. Do not wait to the day of. We did this 2 days ago, and we feel pretty confident. We're going to write out this Irma number 4 in this room. I'll let you know how it goes.